and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some kinetic sand slime. I saw like a couple videos on this and it looked really cool, so I thought I'd try it out for you guys. So make sure you subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up if you like slime and if you want more videos. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start by making a basic slime and then we're gonna add in the other stuff from there. So you're gonna need some glue. I used Elmer's, but you can use any glue with PVA in it. So now I'm just adding some shaving foam so it's a little bit on the fluffier side. Now just add any lotion so your slime's nice and stretchy. Time to activate the slime. You can use any activator, but I like to use borax. Once your slime is about this consistency, it's time to add the kinetic sand. Now I'm just adding some more borax because my slime was a little too sticky. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. Give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe down there. Comment down below some video ideas so I know what you guys want me to do. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Peace out.
Just like fire, burning up the way, rock it like a world of just one day.